how to use the strings and how to use the string functions. So for strings and its functions and various things, now let's create a new program. So I will write here string.py. So now we will create one string here. So let me name that string here. Let me name it my str equal to I am Sahil. I had written my name here and now I will print this. So print my str. So let's run this. It will print the string. We know already. So yes, it is printing my str, that is I am Sahil. So now let's see the slicing of string. Now we will see how we can slice the string, how we can divide the string into different parts. Like we are printing it similarly like that. Now we will divide the things. Now if you want to print the particular part of this string, like I want to print only m, we will write here bracket, and in bracket I will specify the position of that thing. Like it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. The position of m will be 3. Why 3? Because every time array or string starts from 0. In programming, it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 1 for the space, and then 2 for a, and 3 for m. So for m, we will write a 3. Suppose slicing the string, we will write like this. So let's run this. Let's see. So yes, it is printing m. Now, if we want to print from starting to till m, like from I to till m, then what we will do? Like this. What we will do? We will start from 0 and then colon and then 3. Let's say it is printing from I to m or no. So it is printing from I to a. It is skipping the last thing. So for that, what we have to do it here, Python will skip the last thing. So we have to write one extra space here. So we will write from 0 to 4. Now we will run this. So yes, it is printing I am. So it is printing from 0, 1, 2, 3. And it is skipping the fourth part of that. So this is the syntax of Python. So you have to follow it like that. Now what if you want to print from here am to Sahil like this? You only want to print am Sahil. You don't want to print that Sahil. Then what you will do? So if you want to print this thing, this, you will specify the index according to that. So let me specify the index. Let me see if it is printing or not. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1. So I will specify from here, from 1. Why 1? It is a syntax of Python that we have to follow. So I will write here 1 and till end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till 10, last one. So I will specify the things and now I will done. So yes, it is printing am Sahil. It is also printing the space here. So let me write here 2. Yes, it is printing okay. So yes, I don't want to write here m. So it will start from the second index. Yes, 0, 1, 2. From second index it is starting from a and ending till l. So like this you can slice your string. You can divide it into the different parts. So you now come to know that how we can divide it into the different parts. And now let's see the another concept of that. What will be the another concept? Next concept will be the functions of string. So now you know the slicing of string. Now you will come to know about the functions of string. So let me write here functions of string. So what are the functions of string? Let us see. First of all, if we want to print the length of the string, so what will be the length? I think length will be 9 or 10. So let us see. So I will write a print and then my str, and then I will use the function here. So what is the function? Len length, and in between the length I have to specify the variable name, that is a string. So like that you can see it. Length of the string, it will print the length of the string len my str. So yes, the length of the string is 10. So let me write it neatly here like that. length of string is this. So let's run. Length of string is 10. So now it is printing properly. So now let's see the another function, that is ends with. It will check that the string is ending with that correct thing or not. So how we will write it? So we will write here first of all the variable name of the string. The variable name is mystr and then dot and then ends with, and then in bracket we will specify the thing to which we want to check that it is ending with that or not. So now we will run this, and if it will be okay, then it will print true. So yes, it is printing true. Means this string is ending with the Sahil. And if I will write here something else like Rahul, now let's see if it is ending with Rahul or not. So it is here false. So means this string is not ending with Rahul. So it is used to check that if the string is ending with that correct thing or not. So now let's check the next function, that is the count function. We want to count the things, then we will use the count function. So for the count function, the syntax is also same, mystr dot and then count, and after writing count we will specify the width, that will be this Sahil. I will write a Sahil and then I will start it. It is showing me 1. Yes, Sahil is one time. And now if I want to specify a count only one thing, that is A. If we want how many A's are there in the string, we know there are two A. One is here and one is here. So let me write here A. So it will now print the output by showing the count. That will be 2. So let's see it is showing 2 or not. Yes, it is showing 2. And to say that we have two A's in this string. Now if we want to see I, so let's see how many times I it is here. So there is only one I or not? Yes, there is only one I. There is one capital I also, so it will not consider it capital. If we will write here capital, then it will consider it as a capital. So yes, for capital also it is showing me 1. Like I will write one more I here, capital 1, so it will show me 2. So yes, it is showing me 2. So by this you come to know that how to check the count the things, that how to count a character or how to count a full string, that it is available, full word is available in the string or not, how many times it is available. So next function is capitalize. So what will capitalize do? Let me show you here, like my str dot capitalize. If we will use this function, then what will happen? It will capitalize the first letter of the string. Like here I had written I am Sahil. It is already capital. Let me do it small one. Now let me print it. So you can see it here. It has capitalized that letter. You can see it here above. I am Sahil. The letter is small. I is small here. Yes or not? Yes, I is small. But when we will use this capitalize, it will capital the first letter of the string. So let us see the another concept, another function of that is find. So if you want to find anything, like any word in the string or any character in the string, then you will use a find method. So for that I will use a string name and then dot find method, and inside that I will write the thing that I want to find. I want to find am here, that where am is placed. So I will write here am, and now I will run the program. Let's see the position of am. So it is showing me that position of m is at 2. Yeah, 0, 1 and 2. It is starting from second position. So it is showing me second position. Let me see the position of Sahil here. That from where Sahil is starting. So it will show me the position of that. So it is showing me 5. So Sahil is at position 5. So this will show me the position of that by using the find method, that is find function. And now if we want to do the everything in that in the lowercase, like here Sahil S is capital, and let me capitalize this I also. Now if we want it in the lowercase, then what we will do? Then we will use a lowercase function. So for that, string name dot lower lower, and now it will lowercase the things. So you can see it here. Everything is in lowercase. After that, if you want it in uppercase, then you will use it upper. So for that, you will use it upper. So now the string will be in the uppercase. So you can see it, it is in the uppercase. Now, if you want to replace anything, then what you will do? So if you want to replace any string word with anything else, you will use a replace function. And in replace function, you will write first of all which thing you want to replace. I want to replace am. Like I want to replace here am with r. So I will write here r and then I will play it. So yes, it is replacing it. I r Sahil. It has replaced the am with r. So this is also working. So we can replace our strings and we can replace our words of the string and a character also by using this replace function of string. So this is about the string functions. So now next thing what we will see is Python list.